it's your girl Yinka. Welcome back to my channel. So, I've always wished I had freckles. So today I'm really excited because we are going to create some faux freckles with Pseudo Labs. They have a product called Freckles, and this product, which I have here, pretty much helps you achieve fake freckles temporarily, and it's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. I'm excited to try this with you guys because I've always wanted freckles, and I am considering getting like tattoo freckles maybe in the future. So this is the packaging that it comes in. I selected shade 3, which was the darkest shade. So this is my first time doing this. A few things you guys should know about these faux freckles is that they are waterproof for up to 80 minutes, and depending on the oiliness of your skin and the pH balance of your skin, they should last on your face for approximately 4 to 8 hours. So freckles in shade 3. Then inside the container there is a wand that we're gonna use to apply this. So wish me luck, guys. So as you guys can see, actually let me shake this up. It's watery and it's almost like a spoolie brush, and pretty much the directions say that we flick them on. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna get a little close because I'm using my camera lens as my mirror. So pretty much we're gonna flicker the product onto my face in an upward motion, and I'm gonna close my eyes. All right, round 2. Kind of see, oh, okay, we're getting there. All right, okay. Okay, all right. I was kind of worried this was gonna be a little messy, but it's not that bad. You just have to hold the spoolie close to your face. Can kind of, oh. All right, so I'm gonna do this in my mirror and I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, so I'm done. I'm not sure if you guys can see the freckles. They're actually really, really cute. I think because in the beginning, I wasn't really sure what I was doing, but I like the finished product. I'm not sure if you guys, if you look really close, you can kind of see the freckle spots. So I'm gonna play with this more and like, even on my bare skin, like experiment with the freckles, but this is really cute. Some of the freckles. And again, this is the darkest shade, which is shade 3. Freckles up here. Okay, all right. Okay, freckle gang, ow. Yeah, that was fun. If you're looking for faux freckles, I would definitely give them a try. And again, remember to go in a downward motion on the spoolie and use a mirror so that you can really control where you want it to go, and also hold it closer to your face. I know initially when I was brushing the spoolie, I was a little far away from my face, but I got it towards the end. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and my faux freckles. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for watching. Bye.